Yeah, very good course. Loads of information. That's really helpful, and very well worth taking.
I really enjoyed the course. The information was delivered very clearly and simply, and I was given a wealth of knowledge, and I can't wait to start using it.
The course was great, lots of information, lots of practical work. Highly recommend it to anybody. Plus we were well looked after with food, so get on it.
Yeah, the course is great. It's great to know that if they're only a phone call away if you're ever stuck or need any help in the future. So yeah, happy out.
Brilliant course, and really got whole lot of different products, different ways of putting it all in it was, and from we came in to now after 2 days, it's amazing what we learned in 2 days. Great course, I recommend it to anyone.
How was the course?
It was brilliant. Really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think your future career is going to change?
Hopefully, I'm hoping.
Yeah.
It will well.
Yeah.
It's well worth it.
Would you come back?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Would you recommend us?
Yep.
Great.
100%.
Thank you.
Thank you.